Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for coming back in. This is the video that we'll be discussing the feed additive, our dry feed additive. Wonderful product. It also is OMRI certified. It comes in a 40-pound case, and it is $240 for that case. So it turns out about 4 pounds treats 1 ton. So the case itself will treat 10 tons. This product is a super product for all thing cattle, dairy, equine, poultry, sheep, goat, swine. It's a unique blend of 13 non-GMO fermented lactic acid bacteria. It's produced naturally via a pure water reed sedge peat. It's a leaching process. One thing, there's a number of things that you'll find with this product. It improves feed digestibility, much like sometimes we have had to have something as an enzyme to assist for our ability to break down some different foods. It increases absorption of amino acids, fats, and starches as well. So if you've got more digestibility and absorption, it's one thing to digest it, it's another thing to absorb it. So once the animal is absorbing this, they're satisfied sooner. That meaning if they're satisfied sooner, they're eating less, meaning less grain. We've found about 25% less grain required to bring the cattle to finishing stage and the rest of your animals as well. Also, when the animal eats the grain with this product, it results in a better balanced nutrition all the way around. Again, the animals that we treat with this product or provide this product for, they're bringing a very high dollar on the market. They're healthier. There's not for cattle specifically, there's not the draining of the nose and the watering eyes and the like. They're bringing the highest dollar on the market, and they're more energetic all the way around. They look better, they act better, they sell better. One of the great things about this is birth weights are better. And the mama cow, a happy, healthy mama cow, will deliver a happy, healthy baby, or calf in this case. So remember that it's 4 pounds per ton, and there is 40 pounds to the case. So this case will treat 10 tons of feed. So just bear that in mind. It's a wonderful product, and OMRI certified. You can call and ask any other questions that you have on this. We sell a lot of this, as with all of our products. My telephone number, again, I'm Tom Golden with EarthGen 215, and we're here in Tallahassee, and my telephone number is 719-465-6234. More than happy to help you with any questions you might have. Have a wonderful afternoon. God bless you. Take care.